Hello guys, welcome to the Programming with Geeky Insight. In today's session we will see the function pointer in C. Function pointers are any normal pointer which can hold the address of function instead of variable. We will see one example here. A function having input argument as an integer x and integer y, and it is returning as a x plus y as an integer return. And at the right side we are seeing the memory 8700. We have taken a random memory address for instruction 1. Declaration of a function pointer. Here we are seeing one example of function address add and input argument as an integer x and integer y, and it is returning as a return x plus y. The return type of this function is a float. And the right side we are seeing the main function, and the float is a return type of the function. PTR is just a function pointer, and the argument of the function pointer is an integer for the first argument, and second argument also it is an integer. So float is a return type of the function, and we can see two integer, that means the input argument of the function. Now we will see assigning address of a function to a pointer. Left side we can see the example of function, and right side we can see the main program. The first method we can see that float is a return type of this function, PTR is a function pointer, and data type of the argument is an integer for the first argument, and for the second argument it is also integer. And we are assigning the address of a function to this pointer. This is the first method. And in the second method we have defined just a float as a return type of this function. PTR is a function pointer, and the data type of the argument is an integer, and for the second argument it is also integer. Now in the second line we have given an ampersand address for the function to a PTR, so we can use either method to assign the function address to a pointer. Now we will see calling of a function using function pointer. Here right side we can see the main program. For storing the result we have taken the result variable having data type as a float. We have taken data type as a float because our function returning as a float. Now in the second line we have assigned the address of this function to this function pointer, and we have used the ampersand operand here. So again, once we call the function using function pointer, here again we are passing the argument as a 10 and 20 to this function pointer, and again we are returning the result of this x plus y having data type as a float inside this result. Now in the second line we have used the ampersand operand, so again we have to use the dereference operand here. That's why we have used the star operator here. And finally we are printing the result in the form of the float. Also there is another method, calling of function using a pointer. At the right side we can see the main program, the float result. Then at the second line, instead of calling this function pointer with the ampersand operand, directly we have used add. So directly we are storing the address of this function using add directly inside this PTR. And in the third line we are calling the function pointer by passing 10 and 20 as a argument and storing the result in the result variable. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.